Ever wondered why your body suddenly forces you to cough? It's not random, it's a survival alarm. It starts when something irritates your airway: dust, smoke, even a tiny drop of saliva. Instantly, your brain gets the warning, clear the airway now. Your lungs compress like a pressure cannon, building force in just milliseconds. Then, boom, air shoots out at almost 80 kilometers per hour to blast the irritant out. So every cough you make, that's your body fighting to protect you. Every single time.